Hello, I hope I'm visible to you now.
Yes, yes, of course. Good morning.
Very
Good
good
morning.
morning.
Yes, to you too.
How are you doing?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm meeting you for the first time today.
Yes, yes, yes. How's your morning going so far?
It's very
Busy?
hectic. Very busy,
Okay,
very busy. I was
okay,
about
okay.
to, I was about to go to have a wash, but then I saw it's already 11. Then didn't go.
Okay, okay. Yes, please introduce yourself.
Yes, as you know, my name is Alka. I'm residing in Lucknow,
Okay,
and my husband is a retired banker,
okay.
and I have two sons. Both are married, and both are having one daughter each.
Wow, okay.
Yes, I'm a post graduation in English,
Okay,
and my hobbies are playing chess and reading. Reading a lot. I read a lot.
okay.
Listening to music.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Excellent. Oh,
You're residing in Karnataka. Which place?
yes. There's a place called Raichur.
Yes, I've heard about it. Yes. Okay.
Okay, how come? How come did you hear about Raichur?
No, I don't remember properly, but somewhere I have read about it. Actually, I heard the name.
Okay. Sorry?
Sorry. Yes. No, I'm asking. You're permanently settled there. You.
Yes, yes. As of now, I've settled down here.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, we never know what future has in hold for us, right? So as for now, I'm settled with my family. My in-laws are with us. So yeah.
Okay. So, how
Mm.
many sessions you have in a day?
Not many, maybe two,
Okay.
maximum three.
Yeah, yeah. See, I have always watch your videos. Yesterday night also, I was watching a video of yours with some gentleman. He was in electric department.
Yes, yes, yes. Ashok, Ashok. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So I
Mm.
was watching him also.
Mhm. Yeah, it's a very nice platform actually, and everybody is coming forward to have a conversation. So
Right.
it's very nice. The feeling is very good.
Yeah. So you're the fourth one to whom I'm talking today. I have spoken to Dehati madam, then to Mansi ji,
Okay.
then to some Puri, Meenu Puri.
Ah, right. Okay.
So, so for you, I was waiting to hear from you also. So when I got
Oh,
a message yesterday night, last night I got your message. I was so happy.
oh my
Uh,
God.
very happy. Yes, I was waiting to have a session with you.
All right. So how do you get all the patience to talk to so many people in a day?
You know, not in a day, not in a day. It's been 2 months
Yeah, but
since.
today it's your fourth session? No.
Yeah, fourth with you. Yes,
Okay, okay.
and to them I had session in last 2 months. Past 2 months, I have
Okay, okay.
started to come on this platform. From last
All
two
right.
months. Yes.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
So,
Do
you
you have a
know,
YouTube channel?
YouTube. Yes, of course.
You have a YouTube channel of your own?
No, not mine personal. No, no, I don't have. No,
Okay.
no.
Ye- Yes, how was your experience having conversations with like random people? Did you like the experience?
Yeah, I was so surprised now to see the Hati madam.
Yeah.
Yeah. She belongs to a village, and in spite of having not so amenities, I should say, and
Yes.
even internet problems, she faces these internet problems too. But still, she so well she speaks.
Yeah, and she's only 12th pass.
Yeah.
She doesn't have any graduation in English or anything related to English, but yeah, just purely due to passion.
Sorry.
Just purely due to passion, she learned this.
Yes, because of that only she got to learn
Mm.
so good English.
Mm.
Mm. So for me, no, my grammar and written English is good, but somewhere I lack in conversation.
No, you're doing quite good, I must say. You know, your grammar is on point, and obviously you're postgraduate, and I think you have a lot of experience also with this language.
Yes, I was teaching in some primary school in Kanpur. We were there in Kanpur.
Mhm.
For some years, I was teaching. And
Okay.
only the primary level is good for me, but not higher classes. Because of lacking in confidence in English speaking. That's the main problem for me.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Mm. So what do you do during your free time?
free time, and I'm too busy, you know. Only my husband and I'm there, and we both stay here only. My sons are out. Yeah,
Okay, just the two of you.
yeah. And in spite of being alone, there's a lot of work for me, you know. I cook for myself and breakfast and cooking and cleaning. And the maids come for sweeping and utensils, they come. And the rest
Mm.
of the work I have to do myself.
Yes, yes, yes. In spite of that, we have so much more to do.
Yeah, and I hear a lot of music also, you know, reading. I'm very favorite, and I
Mm.
read a lot.
Mm. Mm. So, do you have any recommendations for beginners if they want to start making this a habit of reading? So, would you recommend any books?
Any books. So it's their choice what they want to read.
What
Okay.
category of books they want to read?
Uh-huh.
Mm. So, which is your favorite one? The ones which I've read so far. So, which was your favorite book?
See, I have one magazine, you know, Women's Era. There's a magazine,
Okay.
Women's Era.
Yes,
But for the
yes.
past, you know, won't believe, for the past 20 to 25 years, I'm reading the same book. And
Right.
it's fortnightly magazine. So,
Even I love reading magazines. Yes.
and my favorite writer is Chetan Bhagat.
Yeah.
I read his simple, writes so good English, and it's
Yes.
simple language, in a simple
And
language.
yeah, and it is so gripping. You want to read it even more.
I love reading his books.
Mm. So, okay, I will ask you a question. Yeah. Yeah, complete.
No, I was thinking that I'm the most oldest one, I think, in your conversation classes. So on this platform, I think I'm
Yes.
the most older. You know,
Yes.
my passion. It was only for my passion to learn this. When I saw your platform, beside last 2 months, when as
Hmm.
I opened Facebook, now first I saw Mansi ji. So I thought, oh, I have a good now. I get to learn more. So I just clicked her and sent a message to her. And after 15 days, I spoke to her for the first time. So
Okay.
in between so many past years, now there was nobody, there no atmosphere for me to come in.
Mm.
I was lacking in that. Though I wanted to learn, but not in my family. You know, my husband also doesn't speak to me in English, though he knows
Yeah.
very well. He knows very
Yes.
well. Children also know, they'll say, what's the use of speaking in English? Ma, it's a language, Hindi mein bolo na.
Yes. Yes. You don't feel that emotional bonding when you speak to family members in English.
That's good. Yeah, that's the main problem. So I didn't
Yeah.
get good atmosphere to talk in English, you know. So
Mm-mm.
now I started conversing with you all people, and I
Yeah.
watch a lot of English movies. I started watching English movies, and some conversations of cartoon conversations, no, in
Yes.
a form
Yes.
of cartoon.
Yeah. Yeah.
That too I watch. So I
Mm.
want to become fluent in a very less time, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Shantaji, please recommend me what else should I do?
Yeah, you're doing whatever you can, right? So this is what everybody does, listening and speaking practice. And already you are like, you're top. I mean, I wouldn't say you're intermediate also. You're speaking fluently, your grammar is good, vocabulary is good. So just keep continuing the practice because if you lose the touch of this language, again, you feel
Yeah,
that I don't know anything. So I would
yeah.
say yeah, continue your speaking practice like this.
I mean, when I was in primary school up to 8th class, I was in Mumbai. So that time my
Okay.
English was good. Then as my
Mm,
father transferred to UP, when he was transferred to UP, after my class 8, I came to Gorakhpur. Just such a
okay.
contrast between Mumbai and Gorakhpur.
Mm,
So in Gorakhpur, uh,
yeah, that was the
so
call.
Gorakhpur, though learning in a good English medium school in Gorakhpur, yet
Mm,
now children used to speak in Hindi.
right.
In spite of being English medium school, so we all used to talk in Hindi. So I did
Mm.
get good atmosphere to talk. You know, that's why I lack in communication. Yes.
Yeah, that happens because of lack of practice. That's it. But
Yes.
once you are into it, you will start enjoying it, and you will also see that change in your speaking practice
And
also.
maybe, you know, I've gained a little confidence. So you're the
Yeah,
most, a little confidence I have gained, but not that much. But still,
yeah,
I see a small change in myself.
yes. Because I'm the only fourth person that you're talking to, right? Because you have to continue doing this every single day. So maybe in 10 days you will be like totally comfortable with this thing, like talking on video calls. Yeah.
Huh. Yes.
Yes.
But a last video yesterday, last night, which I saw your video. In that, you had mentioned somewhere. You had mentioned that you only come once do you talk to me. Suppose we are having conversation today. Then the next time you won't talk to me.
No, it's not like I won't talk to you, but like, I'm talking to one person at a time. That's it. Like as the mails come, right? Yeah. So I have pending from like more than 1 month. So I have to talk to one person every single time. So definitely in the future, if I wish to talk to you, I will.
Okay.
Yeah. If I get the time and if I don't have anybody requesting me for conversation, definitely I'll talk.
Okay. That's good.
Yes.
I
So
want
yes,
to
I want.
you. With
Yeah.
you too, I want to have more sessions. Just to hold my language. And now I'm
Definitely.
so desperate. I'm very desperate. To talk like you. Your English is so good.
Thank you. So I want to ask you just a general question because you're quite experienced with life. So I want to ask you, what is your equation with God? What is your relationship or your perspective about God?
About God.
Yes. What is your equation? Do you pray every day or do you think he actually listens to us, answers our prayers? Anything, your opinion about it?
So I trust a lot in God. And in spite of trusting a lot, but I don't do that much of puja.
Mm.
Little puja, agarbatti, and join hands,
Yeah.
and that's. And while going to bed at night and while getting in the morning, when I get up in the morning, I first go to my small temple is there in my kitchen. Then
Mm.
yes, I join hands to God, and while sleeping also before coming to bed and before getting up from the bed. Both the times I go to God and prayer, little prayer I do, and after having a bath, and then also a little, not that much of puja. I trust her.
Mm. Yeah. But do you trust that, you are going to ask for something and God is going to grant you that?
Yeah, it had happened once or twice. It has happened.
Mm.
So I, no. Mm.
Yeah. But it's actually not fair, right? Every single time to ask for something. So it has to be more generalized, just take care of our health or something like, for the sake of having a prayer and being in touch with God.
Yeah.
Only that concept. But there are a lot of people who do a lot of puja part, mantras, and yeah, right?
Don't do that much of puja. No. We both.
Mhm. Yes. But having just a small basic trust in God because there is somebody above us who's looking after us. Only
Yeah.
that feeling is enough.
Yeah. और
Mm.
उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे, हम भला करते हैं, मतलब जो हमसे पुअर लोग हैं ना उनका हम भला बहुत करते हैं, मी एंड माय हस्बैंड टू. So
Okay.
how will I say it in English? How will I say it?
You are charitable, you're kind, you help the poor, you can say that.
So
Yeah,
what
it
I
is. Yeah. Okay.
that is
Yes,
a true puja, that is a true puja with
definitely. Yes. That's what I was about to say. It's like not just praying to God, but also helping each other, right? You can find happiness in that.
it was a lot of charity.
Yeah. In one way, when somebody says like, God bless you, because some people also comment on my videos that, God bless you. So that feels really good, right? When
Yes,
somebody is like wishing good for you and they're
okay,
praying to God that God has to bless you. So that is a very nice feeling.
right, yes.
Mm, right. Yes. Yeah. Is there any specific question that you want to ask me?
This platform, speaking conversation, when does it come into limelight? Since when it began? I'm asking this.
Since when I have started making conversations?
You too, and when this platform existed, when you
Yeah.
all, yeah, मेरा मतलब है कि ये कब शुरू हुआ ये?
I think it is there at least from 1 year, more than 1 year, I think so. This concept of having conversations with people, because this was not very much when I started my tutoring journey. That is when I discovered that people are doing this conversations. I don't think it is very old, maybe 1 year, 1.5 year. That's
Okay,
it.
it's not that old. Okay.
Yeah, when I was a tutor, I was teaching people, learners, and if they had a YouTube channel, they would record the conversation with me and upload on their YouTube channel. So that's when I discovered that this is doable. This is what people do. So then I realized, like, I can do it independently as well. I can have a YouTube channel and I can teach by myself, right?
Huh.
So I got this idea of making my own YouTube channel and having conversations.
Offline classes also?
Yes, I do take offline classes as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't
That's
do much. I just teach like 1 or 2 learners in a month. That's it.
okay.
Yeah, because these are conversations. I need to make content for my YouTube. I have to talk to people outside of my paid classes also.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
So you'll upload this video too in
Yes, yes, I
YouTube.
will upload. Yes, I will upload this video maybe by this weekend.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
My first conversation was with Mansi, and it was very bad. You know, I told her, please don't upload this video for me. She said, why? I said, I'm very bad at talking. I was too bad, you know. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, first times are usually bad.
I was very nervous, you know. At that time, I couldn't speak a word to her.
Mm. Right. Yes, yes. And what about your health issues? Are you like, fine? Your health is doing good?
Yeah, no issues. No, no.
Yeah. Do you do any ritual to maintain a good health?
Yes, exercise and a lot of yoga in the morning.
This is a common thing I hear from everybody, like, who are fit and, aged. They say, like, okay, we do yoga, we practice walking, meditation, yoga.
Walking also I do. A lot of walking in the evening. I go with my friend. There's a nearby
Okay.
park. There's a nearby park. I go with her.
Mm. And, social life also adds to your longevity, right? When you have friends and people to talk to you, you feel
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
How
I
much?
like,
Yeah, yeah. You're a social person?
yeah, too much. I'm very social.
Very nice, very nice. For how much time do you practice yoga?
Yoga for an hour. You
One
know,
hour.
मतलब half an hour exercise and half an hour yoga.
Okay, okay. From
Nowadays,
how
I'm
many years?
for the past maybe 15 years.
Oh my God. How would you motivate anybody who is like looking to start yoga but they're not starting? What would you
Yeah.
like to say to them?
You know, there's a same person in my house to my husband, you know. He doesn't, uh, only he walks, but he won't do exercises and yoga, nothing.
Mm. So how do you want to motivate that person?
I can't motivate my husband, but how can I motivate the other people outside, you know? Uh,
Okay, yes, it has to come from within. They have to
yeah,
feel that they have to do it.
I feel
Right.
every day I should be fit. I don't want to fall sick and lying in a bed. It's very, I feel, मतलब, घबराहट होती है to be on bed, you know.
Yeah, we are even scared of the thought of like, being on the bed. Yeah, we
Yeah,
don't want
that's
to
why
do that.
I exercise. And in my this shoulder, now it was paining for some last month. It was paining, so I started my hand exercise. So that too, I
Mm.
can't. 15 minutes, I do my this hand exercise.
Right. Yes. Because like being homemaker, that is my biggest fear that I should not fall sick. I'll do whatever it takes for that. Yes. Yes.
It's my shoulder is now not paining because I'm
Okay.
doing exercise. Yeah.
Exercising is as powerful as having a medication. It might not give you the instant result, but it will give you a long time result if you keep practicing it.
Oh,
And there
so
are no side effects to exercising.
no side effects, right?
Hmm. Right. Okay. So shall we end the session now?
Yeah, we can end, yes. But I would like to have another session with you.
Sure, sure. If time permits and in the future, if I have yeah, I
Okay.
will. Mhm.
So it's nice talking to you.
Yeah, yeah. Lovely talking to you. Lovely knowing you. And I'm really happy that you connected. So
Me
you have
too.
a good day.
To talk to you. You gave your precious time to me. No? That I'm very happy. And
Okay.
I can say God bless you. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye.
You too. Have a good time.